Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to multiply by cos x minus sin x on numerator and denominator. Next, we have the formula in here. So this one, we have cos x square minus sin x square. And we know that this one equals to number 1. So this one multiplied by cos x and sin x. Next, we concentrate on this one. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to cos x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have sin x dx. This one we change by u. This one we change by du. Now we have the formula in here. So we have u to the power of n du. So this one we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and I will put about c. Now I will put number 2 going here, and we have 2 plus 1 equals to number 3. About u, that is about cos x. So let's go to the second one. So we use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sin x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cos x dx. This one we have u square. This one we have du. Now we apply the same formula in here. About u, that is about cos x. Now, sorry, this is about sin x. Now, let's go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.